Good day po, I'm Chester De Rosario, ako po yung head ng Animal Bite ng St. Gabriel Medical Center. Dito po sa St. Gabriel Medical Center, we always remind everyone na every time po sila na makagat, malick or ma-scratch ng any mammals na animal like cats and dogs, is pumunta kagad sila dito for early treatment. Kasi po yung rabies po, wala tayong gamot sa rabies. And it's only for prevention. We make sure na yung mga sugat ng pasyente is well treated, and we make sure na yung gamot namin is safe and sigurado. Para sa protection ng pasyente, yun po yung pinakauna namin na priority. Rabies is 100% preventable. Protect yourself, protect your loved ones. Together, let's build a rabies-free country. Open po kami dito sa St. Gabriel OPD Department, alas 8 hanggang alas 4 ng hapon. Monday to Sunday, wala po kaming holidays.